I'm a dog. Yeah. Never wanted to become one of this? Well, now you can, with this set of command blocks. In a second, I will teach you how to become any mob in Minecraft. Minecraft. Let's get on with the video. Woof. So in this video, you will need a spawn egg of your choice, a name tag, an anvil, a lever, and a command block. If you don't know how to get a command block, then this is how. Open chat, click on the bar thing, and enter in /give @s, aka yourself, command _ block. Okay. Now you click that enter button. Then you will receive one in your inventory right here. I got a second one now. So now take your command block, crouch, place 2 blocks, and set this one to repeat, and this one to chain, conditional, and always active. Give you a second to enter in those 2. Okay, so now go to your bottom command block, press the plus, and enter in TP @e square brackets, and in those square brackets, type name equals, and then whatever you want your creature that you're turning into to be named. So I'm just gonna have mine be 1. And then next, press space, and then do @e square brackets, and this time type tag equals, and then this is once again your choice, but nobody will see this option, so I'm just gonna put 2. Okay, give you a second to get those 2 down. Okay, so now click the back button, and now go into the top one. Once again, press the plus, enter in specifically effect @e 2 square brackets tag equals, and then whatever your tag that you previously wrote. So mine was 2. Next, go and type space invisibility 1 true. So what this is doing is it is giving you the effect of invisibility to whoever has the tag 2. And it's giving it to them for 1 second with the power of 1, infinitely, and the true makes it so you can't see the particles. And what this bottom one is doing, it is teleporting whatever you name 1 to whatever has the tag 2. So now take your lever, shift, place your lever on your command block, unshift, and now place your anvil, put your name tag in here, name it to whatever your name was set to in the command blocks. Mine is already on 1, and then just take it out. So now go into chat, click on the bar, and enter in /game rule command block output with no spaces at all except for the game rule false. And click enter. Next, go back in and type /game rule send command feedback to false. So that's /game rule send command feedback false. And now once again, enter it in. Now go back into chat one last time and enter /tag and then do @ and do @s, okay? So now do add and then whatever your tag was, so mine was 1. So now just click that enter button. Now you should have that tag. Flick the lever, place your select mob, and name them. So now, I am a dog. I am a dog. There you go. So now you are whatever mob you chose to be. Sure, it's kind of limited to a couple of things, like you can't have their exact abilities, but you can still be it, and it does look kind of funny when you hold certain items. Right here, yeah. So that is how you become a dog. See you in the next video. This is a song about turtles, and it's only